everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is something to wear. Next week's theme will be bear. And also we enter our projects into hashtag Satmore Mix, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and I believe everybody should know her by now. All right, so anyways, let me jump right in and share some of the things that I use to create my project. Starting out, I'm going to show you that I use the Lumberjack Plaid Distress Ink and also the Black Soot Distress Ink. My enamel dots came from Stamp Market, and I'm using the black ones. And then this is my something to wear, which are the Wander boots that I picked up recently from Spellbinders. And then I also pulled out, let me get this here. I also pulled out the Honeybee Buzzworthy stamps and dies, and I'm using the Journey ones along with the stamps, and I use God Bless Your Journey. And then from Bow Bunny, I'm using the stain texture stamps. I'm using this one here. And then in Love Arts, I'm using this here. And here goes my project. I thought it turned out really cute. I love the boots. Absolutely love those. And then the God Bless Your Journey was just perfect. I thought that stamp set, that whole stamp set, if you put the words together and everything, goes perfect with these boots. And I was so glad that I'm finally able to use that stamp set. I've had it for a few years. I think I may have used it one other time. And I've probably had it about 4 or 5 years. But so glad I have the chance to use it again. And I also have some more boots that I have put together. It was my intent to make a card for each one of these, but yeah, got a little tired and I called it quits and only got the one put together. But maybe later, at a later date, I'll get those. But if you have the chance, make sure you enter into our collabs. Hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, which is hosted by the three ladies, myself, Gloria, and Lisa. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.